Good morning, friends. In last session, we have discussed about this change in body shape and this activity 10.2. We have discussed about this growth and everything and difference between boys and girls. Meanwhile, uh, growth or ages. So, in this session, we will discuss about this voice change. Our next topic is voice change. So did you notice that sometimes the voice of some of the boys in your class cracks? You will sometimes notice that your classmate's voice, okay, one of your classmates or some of your classmates' voice is being cracks, okay, is being cracked, or we can say a thick voice, okay. So at puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Boys develop larger voice boxes. The growing box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. See, in this figure 10.2, you are given the Adam's apple, okay, that which part of our body or simply of throat, okay, we will discuss as a, okay, or we will address as an Adam's apple. Okay, so here you can see the Adam's apple in a grown-up boy. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because of its small size. Okay, so we can say generally in girls, this size of this Adam's apple is very small. Okay, or comparatively small. Generally, girls have a high pitch voice, whereas boys have a deep voice. In adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control and the voice becomes hoarse. Okay, so simply you can understand this difference between boys and girls. Okay, in the voice of boys and girls because it is so related to us. Okay, this state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. So sometimes you can see, okay, meanwhile puberty, this change may occurs. Now our next topic is increased activity of sweet and sebaceous glands. During puberty, the secretion of sweet glands and sebaceous glands simply means oil glands increases. Many young people get acne, and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity of these glands in the skin. Okay, sometimes some illiterate people, we can say, or some who are not aware with these things, have some superstition, okay, with these things. So we just have to take care of it that in puberty these things are normal, okay. So these things occur that sometimes you can observe some pimples. So at that time also we just have to take care of water we are taking uh, through the day. Okay, we have to take enough water to maintain all the purities, okay, impurities and purities inside our body. Development of sex organs. Okay, apart from this voice change, body change, okay, or a change in the body shape, increased activity of sweet and sebaceous glands. Okay, sex organs also may be developed by the age. Look up figure 9.1 and 9.3 of the previous lessons. Okay, see in this PDF is only for this chapter, so you can observe that figures in textbook, which shows sex organs of humans at puberty. Male sex organs like the testes and penis develop completely. The testes also begin to produce sperms. In girls to mature. In girls, the ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. Also, ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Okay, so these basic things occurs whenever a boy or a girl comes in puberty. Okay, day by day or after the puberty, a boy will release sperms, uh, and a girl will release some mature eggs. Next one is reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. See, before puberty, you will behave like a child, but after puberty, you will be mature slowly or gradually. So adolescence is also a period of change in a person's way of thinking. Adolescents are more independent than before and are also self-conscious. Intellectual development takes place and they tend to spend considerable time thinking. In fact, it is often the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity for learning. This is the time, okay, to learn something new. Sometimes, however, an adolescent may feel insecure while trying to adjust to the change in the body and mind. But as adolescent learners, you should know that there is no reason to feel insecure. These changes are a natural part of growing up. Okay, all these things we have discussed, okay, in this topic 10.2. Okay, voice change or body change or anything others we have discussed. Okay, that development of sex part or sex organs. Okay, all these things are very normal. Okay, and it's always happens in the age of puberty. Okay, so that's it for today. In next session, we will discuss about this topic number 10.3. It is secondary sexual characters. That's it for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day to all of you.